Hello everyone, today we have the world premiere of Blackview's Active 8 Pro Rugged tablet, and there is a chance to get it at extra affordable price. The tablet sports an excellent 48 megapixel rear camera with a 4.0 airsoft technology, 10.36-inch ultra-large display with a 2.4K resolution, providing a sharp and vibrant visual experience. The tablet is designed to withstand extreme condition and hazard, certified to meet the mil-STD 810H and the IP68, IP69K standards. In addition to that, the tablet features a quad speaker system by Harman Kardon, comprising 2 tweeters and 2 low-frequency speakers delivering immersive audio quality. DocOS 3.0 based on a pure Android 13 interface. Under the hood, the tablet features the MediaTek Helio G99 processor, which is based on 6nm process and provides a good balance of performance and efficiency, with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, expandable up to 1TB with the micro SD card. The Blackview Active 8 Pro offers ample memory and storage capacity. The tablet is powered by a massive 22,000 mAh battery with a 33 watts fast charging capability, providing long-lasting usage and quick recharging, and a padded leather strap for portability and easy carrying. You can get all these lists and the final price of $229.99. As the additional bonus, the first 200 to 400 customers will receive a complimentary Bluetooth keyboard with their purchase. The official links are below this video. Be sure to visit them and grab your new Blackview Active 8 Pro Rugged tablet today. That will be all for now. See you soon in the next video review. Bye.
We need an Active 8 Pro Rugged tablet.
Why?
Because we are totally broken.
We need an ultra perfect rugged tablet.
Why?
That's why.
We also need a powerful camera.
Why?
Because I can take underwater photos. We need a tablet with exceptional battery life.
Why?